Hello, it is time to check our bell work for Wednesday, January 13th. Yours should be all the way done, and now you're just making corrections. Don't forget to make those corrections. First part, write each fraction as a decimal. So if I have 5 and 9/10, that would mean 5 point, and I need 9 to be in the tenths place. So 5 and 9/10. For number 2, I see I have 4 and 14 thousandths. So that means I have 4 ones. And for 14 thousandths, I need the 4 in 14 to be in the thousandths place. So you had to put a 0 in the tenths place for that one. For 3 and 7/100ths, I have 3 ones. 7/100ths means that 7 needs to be in the hundredths place. So 3.07. Number 4 says, Jameson wants to collect 100 box tops. He has collected 74 so far. What decimal number represents the number of box tops he has collected so far? He's collected 74 out of 100. That's the same as 74 hundredths, which would be 0.74. That is what you should have for that one. Number 5 says, circle the value that is not equivalent. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna write this fraction as a decimal, and 21 hundredths would be 0.21. So right now I see that this one and this one, those are the same. So that's definitely not gonna be the one that's not equivalent. There's a 2 in the tenths place and a 1 in the hundredths. This has a 2 in the tenths place and a 1 in the hundredths. This one right here is worth 21 thousandths. The rest of them are worth 21 hundredths. So this one does not belong. So we should circle that one because it says circle the value that's not equivalent. For 6, 7, and 8, we're supposed to write each number in standard form. So just write the regular old number for it. So to start off, I see 350 and so 350 decimal point. 6/10 means I need a 6 in the tenths place. So 350 and 6/10. Number 7 says 91 thousandths. So 91 thousandths means I need this 1 in 91 to be in the thousandths place. So I'm gonna write a 0 in my tenths place and then the 91. Number 8. 49,000, so that's my first chunk here. So I'm gonna write 49, put a comma, and I know that if I have 49,000, I need 3 more digits before the decimal point. The next chunk says 132, I'm stopping at that word and. 132, so we'll fill it in, and decimal point. 804, and oh, I slipped a regular old number in there. Whoops, bad Mrs. Tremblay. 804 thousandths. So that means I need the 4 in the 804 to be in the thousandths place, which it would automatically be there anyways. So that one's good. Numbers 9 and 10, you were supposed to write an expanded place value form. So that means we multiply each digit by the place it is in. This 2 is in the thousands place. 4 is in the hundreds place. I have a 0 in the tens place, so I don't need to write that. I have a 5 in the ones place. I do need to write that. So I would write 5 times 1. Plus 0/10, I don't need to write that down. I see 2 hundredths. So I'm gonna multiply 2 times 100th. And I have 8 in the thousandths place, so 8 times 1,000th. Last but not least, this 1 is in the hundreds place, so you should have done 1 times 100. 3 is in the tens place, 3 times 10. 2 is in the ones place, and we're gonna keep on adding. 2 is in the tenths place, so 2 times a tenth. Plus this 4 is in the hundredths place, so 4 times 100. And I have a 6 in the thousandths place, so 6 times 1,000. All right, your bell work is set. Thanks for watching.